There's something strangely easy to ignore about scrap wood. It doesn't demand attention. It doesn't try to impress. It just sits there, quiet, rough, and often forgotten. A leftover from something else. A piece that didn't make the final cut. To most people, it's nothing more than waste, something to step over, or sweep away at the end of the day. But sometimes, what looks like the end of a story, is actually the beginning of something far more interesting. Today, that's exactly what we're exploring. Because this piece of scrap wood, this overlooked, uneven, imperfect block, is about to become something you wouldn't expect. At first glance, there's no obvious value here. The surface is dull. The edges are awkward. There are marks, inconsistencies, and signs of time that most would consider flaws. It doesn't resemble a product. It doesn't hint at purpose. It doesn't suggest beauty. And yet, there's something there. Not visible at first. Not obvious. But present. Potential. Before any tools are picked up, there's a moment that matters more than anything else: observation. The wood is turned slowly, carefully, almost like it's being studied. Not judged, but understood. Every angle reveals something slightly different. The grain lines move in quiet patterns. The density shifts from one side to another. Even the imperfections begin to feel like clues rather than problems. This is where the real process begins. Not with cutting, but with seeing. Because the goal isn't just to make something out of wood. The goal is to discover what already exists within it. The first cut is deliberate. There's no rush. No unnecessary force. Just a controlled movement that removes the outer layer, the part that hides everything beneath. And as that thin slice falls away, something changes instantly. The surface underneath looks alive, cleaner, brighter, more defined. It's a subtle moment, but an important one. Because right there, in that first reveal, you realize something simple but powerful. This was never just scrap. It was simply waiting to be uncovered. As the process continues, the shape begins to evolve. What once felt random starts to feel intentional. The edges begin to align. The proportions start to make sense. With every cut, the piece becomes less about what it used to be, and more about what it's becoming. There's a rhythm to it now. Cut. Pause. Observe. Adjust. Refine. Continue. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is rushed. Every decision builds on the last. Then comes sanding. And this is where transformation becomes undeniable. At first, the surface resists. It's rough, uneven, still holding on to its past. But slowly, layer by layer, that resistance fades. The texture softens. The harshness disappears. What was once coarse becomes smooth, almost effortless to the touch. And then, the grain reveals itself. Flowing lines stretch across the surface like natural artwork. Patterns emerge that no machine could design. No template could predict. It's organic, unique, and completely unrepeatable. This is where the wood speaks the loudest. Not through noise, but through detail. At this stage, the piece begins to feel different. It's no longer something you overlook. It's something you notice. something you'd pause for. Something that draws your attention without asking for it. And still, it's not finished. Now comes refinement. This is where precision matters most. Small adjustments. Subtle changes. Edges are softened just enough. Lines are cleaned without losing character. The goal isn't perfection, it's balance. A balance between control and natural form. Between design and authenticity. Too much shaping, and the wood loses its identity. Too little, and the vision remains incomplete. Finding that middle ground is where craftsmanship lives. There's a quiet confidence in this part of the process. No dramatic movements. No aggressive changes. Just careful decisions, made with intention. Each one bringing the piece closer to its final form. And then, almost without noticing, you reach a moment where everything feels right. The structure is complete. The form is clear. But one final step remains. Finishing. It's often underestimated, but it changes everything. As the finish is applied, the transformation deepens instantly. The color becomes richer, warmer, more inviting. The grain sharpens, standing out with clarity and depth. Light begins to reflect differently, giving the surface a sense of life it never had before. What once looked dry and lifeless now feels vibrant and complete. It doesn't just look better. It feels finished. And this is the moment that makes everything worth it. The reveal. Not loud. Not dramatic. Just honest. A piece of scrap wood, once ignored, once dismissed, now stands as something entirely different. Something refined. Something valuable. Something meaningful. And the contrast is undeniable. Take a second to really see it. Not just as it is now, but as it was before. Because that contrast, that journey from overlooked to admired, is what makes this process so powerful. This isn't just about woodworking. It's about perspective. In a world where things are often replaced instead of restored, there's something deeply satisfying about transformation. About taking what's been forgotten and giving it a second life. About choosing to create instead of discard. Because when you slow down, when you pay attention, you start to notice things differently. You start to see potential where others see waste. You start to recognize value where others see nothing. And maybe that's the real message behind this piece. Not just what it became, but what it represents. The idea that beauty doesn't always arrive perfect. That value doesn't always show itself immediately. And that sometimes, the most incredible results come from the simplest beginnings. So the next time you see a piece of scrap wood, don't rush past it. Don't dismiss it. Take a moment. Look a little closer. Because you never really know what's hidden inside, until you decide to reveal it. If this transformation made you pause, if it changed the way you see something as simple as wood, then that's exactly what this channel is about. Make sure to like this video so more people can discover the beauty hidden in everyday materials. Share it with someone who appreciates creativity, design, or the quiet satisfaction of building something meaningful from nothing. And if you want to see more transformations like this, more ideas, more designs, more moments where ordinary becomes extraordinary, subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio. Because here, we don't just shape wood. We uncover what it was always meant to become.